Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In the last video we have done splitting, concatenating of string. In today's video of Python language we are going to start joining of string. So friends, what will be the joining of string in Python, or how we will join a string, two string? We can also join a group of string using list or tuple with respect to given separation or separator. S is equal to separator dot join group of string. This is the syntax. This is the syntax of joining of string. T is equal to, suppose take an example, T is equal to Sunny, Bunny and Chinny. S dash, this is the separator, dot join T. Print S. So Sunny dash Bunny dash Chinny. So friends, here this dash is used as separator. This is used as separator. Okay. Now take another example. L is equal to Hyderabad, comma, this is a string, Hyderabad. Singapore is another string, London is another string, and Dubai, which is also another string. So we are going to join all of these with this separator, colon separator. This is colon separator, dot join L, print S. That means, print S means in S we are going to join all these strings, Hyderabad, Singapore, London and Dubai, by using colon separator. The output will be Hyderabad, colon, Singapore, colon, London, colon, Dubai. Okay. Now changing the case of string, either uppercase or lowercase. There are two types of cases. We know that uppercase and lowercase. Now we can change case of a string by using four methods: upper function, lower function, swap case and title case and capitalize. Okay. So in the first, uppercase to convert all character to uppercase. Lowercase function to convert all characters to lowercase. Okay. Swap case converts all lowercase character to uppercase and all uppercase character to lowercase. Title to convert all character to title case, that is first character in every word should be uppercase and all remaining characters should be in lowercase. Now at the last there is a capitalize. Only first character will be converted to uppercase and all remaining character can be converted to lowercase. Okay. So now take an example. S is equal to learning Python is very logical. Suppose print S dot uppercase and the output will be learning Python is very logical. All the characters are converted to uppercase. Okay. Next, print S dot lower. That means the learning Python is very logical. S, where it is present in S, it will convert it in learning Python is very logical. Print S dot swap case, learning Python is very logical. See, learning L is capital, P is small, because in the swap case the first letter will be capital and all the beginning of every letter will be small, because converts all lowercase character to uppercase and all uppercase to lowercase. Okay. Next, print s dot title. Learning Python is very logical. Okay, s dot হচ্ছে capitalize. Learning Python is very logical. Checking starting and ending part of the string. Checking starting and ending point of the string. Python contains the following method for this purpose. The first one is s dot start with substring, and number 2 is s dot end with substring. So take an example. S is equal to learning Python is very easy. Print s dot start with learning. So the output will be true because learning is present in the string. In the beginning of the string, learning is present. Okay. Print s dot end with learning. It will be false because learning is present at the beginning of the string, not at the end of the string. And the fourth one, print s dot end with easy. Yes, it will be true because easy is present in the easy easy is present in the last of the string. So friends, for today this is the last query I have been explained you. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want other videos on C and Java, then please click on my I button link. You will get all the description there. And please again subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel. And for today I am taking goodbye from you. Okay, bye bye.